In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug code using Grok AI Fast Fix. If your program keeps failing and you're not sure why, this walkthrough will help you get a clear answer quickly and turn that error into a working solution. First, open Grok in your web browser or launch the Grok app on your device, then sign into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so your session doesn't time out mid-debug. Starting from a clean slate helps. So begin a new chat to keep this debugging session focused on just one issue. Now grab the code that's causing trouble. Copy the full snippet, not just a few lines, and paste it into the chat. Include everything that's relevant to reproducing the problem so the context is clear. Keep the original formatting if you can. Indentation and structure often matter. If your project is huge, share the smallest section that still triggers the bug. Avoid pasting any secrets like passwords or private keys. Redact those safely. Directly under your code, paste the exact error message you're seeing. Don't paraphrase. The precise wording and stack trace are incredibly useful. You can write something like, "Here is my code and the error I'm getting. Fix it." The more complete your input, the more accurate the fix will be. If it's relevant, mention your programming language, framework and version, as well as how you're running the code. Press enter to submit. Grok will analyze the code, line by line, and either produce a corrected version or explain what's wrong and where it's happening. Around this point, if you need quick access, you'll find the official Grok website link, and the app download link if you prefer using it on your phone or desktop, right at the top of the description. If the response makes sense but you want deeper clarity, simply ask, "Explain what was wrong step by step." Grok will break the issue down into clear reasoning, often pointing out root causes, showing before and after snippets, and highlighting best practices, so the fix actually sticks. If your issue isn't fully resolved yet, keep the conversation going. Provide any new errors, runtime logs, or edge cases you've discovered, and ask for another revision. Iteration is normal in debugging. Clarify constraints like performance needs, security considerations or compatibility targets, and Grok will adjust the solution accordingly until it works end to end. That's how you debug code using Grok AI for a fast fix. Thanks for watching.